Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023, 10:15 a.m. Now, what I have today is a Banville Envirofan heavy-duty gold line. And in fact, I think this is just an Envirofan because it's from 2005 when Banville parted ways. Now, one of the blades is slightly curved upward. It does wobble a bit at the beginning, but yeah, and I have no idea why the sticker is upside down, but I tried to pry it back to reposition it, and it began to disintegrate in my hands. So anyway, I digress. Yeah, this is from 2005, 03, either March or the third quarter. I'm not sure how they date them, but anyway, let's take it for a test spin, shall we? So this is one of 3 gold lines that I have from this era. They are all for sale and or trade. Let me know if it piques your interest. It's not in perfect shape, but it does the job. The point is a bit scuffed up at the bottom. Like I said, one of the blades is bent up a bit. I tried to bend it down. Maybe I'll try to put it in my vise that I have down cellar. But yeah, it wobbles at low speed. Now I just connected it to, I just plugged it in because it has a plug instead of the, the wires. So I plugged it in. So I'm going to show it on 1 speed. But yeah, low like this, it's going to wobble because of that offset blade. But anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be testing this fan's brother here momentarily. This is from 2004-09. So yeah, I guess it's the month. So it'll be September of 2004. Yeah, and it just has the plug instead of the wires. So I just plugged it in. But I have it on the same power strip. In fact, the same extension cord leading to the same power strip that I have my shop light. So that's why the light went down when I shut it off. Yeah. Oh, the bearings must be good. It's a very long spin down. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.